Good morning, students. How are you? Students, today I am going to teach you sixth lesson, the climate of India. The word climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. It describes the weather a place generally has throughout the year. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place and time. For example, when we say that it is hot or cloudy today, we are referring to the weather of a particular place at that particular moment. But when we say that it is cold in the Himalayas and hot in the deserts, we are referring to the climate of these places. We have studied about the different regions of India. We have also seen that the climate of one region is different from that of the other. Let us find out why this is so. This is the picture of hill stations have a cool climate. And this is the picture of desert areas have a hot climate. Factors affecting climate. The location of a place determines its climate. Places located near the sea have a cooler climate compared to places which are away from the sea. Again, places located in the hills or mountains are cooler than places in the plains. The climate of a place also depends on its temperature, rainfall, and the direction of the wind blowing in the region. Distance from the equator is also an important factor because the overall climate of a place depends on how far it is from the equator. The climate of a place has an effect on the life of the people, the type of clothes they wear, the kind of food they eat, and the types of crops that can be grown there. For example, if a region gets heavy rainfall, the soil will be rich and fertile. Plenty of crops can thus be grown in the region, and the region will prosper and be thickly populated. Areas with heavy rainfall have fertile soil, which is good for agriculture. In this picture, you can see areas with heavy rainfall have fertile soil, which is good for agriculture. Seasons of India. In India, there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. Some parts of India have two more seasons: spring and autumn. First season, summer. This is the picture of summer. Summer in North India is extremely hot. Summer season. The summer season in India starts from the middle of March and lasts till the middle of June. The temperature rises during this period of the year and it gets very hot. May and June are the hottest months of the year. It is hot throughout India during these months, but the mountains are cooler compared to other areas. Places near the coast also get some relief because of the sea breeze. But the plateaus and the plains are quite hot. In the northern plains, a hot, dry wind called the Lu blows in the afternoons. Thunderstorms and dust storms also occur occasionally. In summer, the days are longer than the nights. In order to escape the summer heat, people visit hill stations such as Nainital, Mussoorie, Shimla, Darjeeling, Udagamandalam, and Kodaikanal. By the end of summer, just before the monsoon rains, the humidity in the air rises. This means that the amount of water vapor in the air increases. Second season, monsoon. This is the picture of monsoon. The monsoon or rainy season. The monsoon season is also called as rainy season. This is the picture of rainy season. The rainy season in one of the most important season in India. Monsoon. The monsoon or the rainy season starts in June and continues till the end of September. During this season, moisture bearing winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. These winds are called monsoon winds. They cause rainfall in all parts of India. In India, the rainy season is very important. Agriculture depends largely on the monsoon rains. Sometimes we get heavy rains which cause floods. Sometimes the rainfall is so little that there is a drought. Sometimes there are cyclones, violent storms during this time of the year which cause a lot of destruction. The coastal areas and the Himalayan region receive heavy rainfall, but places in Rajasthan and Gujarat receive scanty rainfall. The coastal areas of Tamil Nadu remain dry in the monsoons but receive rainfall between November and January. Next important season, winter. The winter season begins in November and continues till February. December and January are the coldest months. The days are short while the nights are longer. The days are short while the nights are longer. It is cold throughout the India. The northern mountains and the northern plains get extremely cold, but the coastal plains have pleasant weather. This is the picture of winter season. Children enjoying snow in the Kashmir Valley. In the deserts, the days are pleasant but nights are cold. In southern India, winters are cool and pleasant. During this winter season, western disturbances cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during winter season. Next season, spring season. This is the picture of spring. Spring is the season of flowers in India. Spring is the season that comes after winter, just before the onset of summer. It is neither too cold nor too hot. It is a cool and pleasant season. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers in spring. Next season, autumn. This is the picture of autumn season. The leaves of trees turn red and golden in autumn before finally falling off. Autumn season. Autumn is the season that comes after the monsoons, just before the onset of winter. It is cool and pleasant, and many trees shed their leaves during this time. Thus, we see that seasons change throughout the year. This change follows the same pattern every year. We always have summer followed by monsoon, and then autumn followed by winter and spring. Let's recall. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a certain time. Climate is the regular pattern of weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. There are various factors determining climate: location, temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind, and distance from the equator. In India, there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. Some places also have spring and autumn. Summer occurs between March and June. Monsoon occurs between June and September. Winter occurs between November and February. New words. The definition of the monsoon. Monsoon season that brings a lot of rain to India and its neighboring countries. Thunderstorm. The definition of the thunderstorm is a storm with thunder and lightning and usually very heavy rain. Definition of the humidity. Humidity, the amount of water vapor in the air. Definition of the drought. A long period of time when there is not enough rain. Definition of the cyclone. A violent storm that brings fierce winds and heavy rainfall to hot countries like India and Bangladesh. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you.